Hello everyone. So now we're dealing with a topic paper 5, and it's under the topic of probability. Now let's start. So Benju cycles to work each morning and he has two possible routes. Okay. While reading this, I'm just gonna draw the tree diagram. He chooses the hilly route and the probability with 0.4 probability. So hilly, and the busy route with a probability of 0.6. If he chooses the hilly route, okay, the probability that he will be late for work is x. So he has late, which is x. And if he chooses the busy route, the probability that he will be late for work is 2x. The probability that Benju is late for work on any day is 0.36. Okay, so it seems that as long as he is late, the probability is 0.36. Okay, let's fill out the remaining things. That's not late, late, not late, not. So this is going to be 1 minus x. This is 1 minus 2x. Yeah, just the opposite. Now let's deal with this first. The probability that Benji is late for work, we want to show that x is equals to 0.225. We definitely just have to find the probability of just Benju being late. Okay, now we know it's going to be 0.36. Now what is the formula for this? You have two choices. It has to be hilly and then late plus probability of busy and also late, so which is equals to 0.36. okay, so probability of hilly times and late is going to be 0.4x, and probability of busy and late is going to be 1.2x, which is equals to 0.36. So what 0.4 plus 1.2, that's going to give you 1.6x, is equals to 0.36. Then we have x is equals to 0.225 shown. Now let's move on to the next part. So next part says, given that Benju is now late for work, find the probability that he chooses the hilly route. Okay, a very big hint here. Given that Benju is not late for work. So let's define the two different events. So we have event A, which is he chooses the hilly route, and then B, he is not late. Okay, this B would be the one, it's going to be in a given probability. So not given probability, we call it conditional probability. So A given B is equals to probability of A intersecting with B over probability of B. Okay, now first let's try to find the probability of A intersecting B. Oops. So A intersecting B. So Benju has to go to the hilly route and he must not be late. So if he's going to the hilly route, which is equals to 0.4, and he must not be late, it must be 1 minus 0.225. yeah, so then that will give us 0.31. Second part, the probability of getting B. So B is not late. Now we've already known that at any day he is late is 0.36. so definitely it's going, if it's not late, it's just going to be 1 minus 0.36, and that's going to be equals to 0.64. okay, so now let's finalize this answer. So the conditional probability is going to be equals to 0.31 over 0.64, which is equals to 31 over 64. okay.